Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back. So in the previous video we made a hex bolt, and in this one we're going to make a hex nut. So let's start off. My units are in millimeters. Select the front plane and start a new sketch. We're going to select a six-sided polygon. Select a six-sided polygon. Click on the origin and drag out the polygon. Also, we're going to make a circle in between. Now we're going to go to Smart Dimension and dimension the polygon at 10 millimeters, and we're going to make the circle at 6 millimeter diameters. Okay, then we're going to use right click and select fully define sketch. It's going to give us the rotation of the polygon, and we're going to give it at 2.5. okay, now we're going to go to features and extrude. I'm going to extrude it at 5 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to select a face of the nut and we're going to start a new sketch. I'm going to select this circle and convert entities. Then we're going to go to insert, curve and helix and spiral. Make sure it's height and pitch and 10 millimeter height, 1 millimeter pitch. The start angle should be 0 degrees. It's going to help you later on. Okay, now go to top plane and start a new sketch. Go normal and press Alt and arrow keys to adjust your view. Okay, then we're going to go to polygon and three-sided polygon and check this box. It's for construction. Hit OK. Escape. One more. Going to drag this polygon here. Now we're gonna make a line. Use the origin as reference and make this line for construction geometry. The pitch is 1. And the distance to the center is 3 millimeters. Now we're going to bound it here. Okay, now we're gonna make another line like this and one more here like this. Select these lines for construction like this. Next we're going to make two lines, which would be this one would be 1/4 of your pitch, so it's going to be 0.25, and another one, let's make it a midpoint line. Select the midpoint as this center line, and we want to make this one as 1/8 of your pitch, so that would be 0.125. Okay, hit escape and select these 2 points and make it coincident. Okay, now we're going to select a 3-point arc here. Like this. Escape. I'm going to select the arc and the center line. I'm going to select this arc, hit Control, and then this center line, and then make it tangent. Okay, I'm going to trim entities, trim off the excess. This would be a construction geometry. Okay, now use mirror entities and mirror it across this center line. Hit OK. Now we're going to use this line tool and we're just going to close the loop from here to here and from here to there. Okay, so that's our profile. Hit OK. Okay, exit sketch. Now we're going to go to features and use swept boss. Okay, hit OK. Okay, we're going to correct this in a minute. Okay, we're going to select just select any plane on the bolt and start a new sketch. Go normal. Now we're going to use 2 rectangles, one side. Okay, make sure they're a corner rectangle. One there and another one there. Now we're going to use features, extruded cut, and we're going to use through all. Okay, hide this spiral. Now the bolt is threaded. Okay, so now what we're going to do is select this face, start a new sketch, make a circle. Let me just zoom in, and from the origin drag out a circle. Okay, and smart dimension the circle at 9 millimeters. Okay, now go to features, extruded cut, and select this flip side to cut and give it a draft of 60 degrees. Okay, it's going to show you a preview and generate this. Do the same for the other side. Start a new sketch. Select the circle. Okay, smart dimension it. Nine millimeters. And the same extruded cut. Flip side to cut and give it a draft of 60 degrees. Okay, and there's your bolt. And if you liked it and you learned something new, be sure to like and subscribe and support the channel. Thank you for watching.